This is not just future versus future. This is a war for the West. Matapos gulatin ng basketball world sa pag-eliminate nila sa Minnesota Timberwolves, papasok ngayon ang San Antonio Spurs sa biggest stage nila in years. Pero sa kabilang side, naghihintay ang isang pinaka-dangerous young team sa NBA, ang Oklahoma City Thunder, led by MVP level superstar na si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. This is composure versus explosiveness, discipline versus speed, young stars versus young stars, at posibleng maging isa ito sa pinaka-exciting playoff series ng taon. Mga kabasketball, handa na ba kayo sa panibagong gera sa Western Conference Finals? Because tomorrow night, the San Antonio Spurs and Oklahoma City Thunder will officially collide in a series that could define the next era of the NBA. This is not just another playoff matchup. This is a battle between two young, hungry teams trying to take over the league. Coming into this matchup, sobrang taas ng confidence ng Spurs matapos nilang durugi ng Minnesota sa kanilang closeout game. At ang pinakamalaking strength nila, it's a team basketball. No fear, no panic, no pressure, magandang ball movement, solid defense, high basketball IQ at chemistry na kitang-kita sa magkabilang side ng court. They may be young, but this is Spurs team plays with the discipline of veterans. Pero sa kabilang banda, ibang klase ang OKC. Led by Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, the Thunder have become one of the explosive and dangerous offensive teams in the entire NBA. They play fast, they attack early, they force turnovers, and once their shooters catch fire from deep, good luck, it's stopping them. This team can literally destroy you in just a few minutes. Kaya ang biggest question entering Game 1, kaya bang kontrolin ng Spurs ang pace ng OKC? Kasi kapag naging fast-paced shootout ito, that's exactly the kind of game that Thunder want. But if San Antonio can slow things down, if they can turn this into a physical half-court battle, then this series could become an absolute war. For the key matchup, all eyes will be on the Spurs defense. Again, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Kasi once na makahanap ng rhythm si SGA, it's over. He can score anywhere on the floor. He can create plays. He can break down defense. And he controls the entire tempo of the game like a true superstar. But don't ever count out the Spurs. Ilang beses na silang underdog nitong playoffs. Pero paulit-ulit nilang pinapatunayan na kaya nilang gulatin at kahit sino. And that's what makes them scary. They don't care about the pressure. They don't care about the spotlight. They just keep winning. For the X factor, bench scoring, 3-point shooting and turnovers. Kapag naging careless ang OKC sa bola, mabilis mag-capitalize ang Spurs. But if the Thunder starts raining threes early in the game, this could get ugly very fast. For the prediction segment, expect a physical, emotional, and high-intensity Game 1. May edge talaga ang OKC dahil sa home court advantage, momentum, at offensive firepower nila. But don't be surprised if San Antonio turns this into a straight-up dogfight hanggang fourth quarter, at isang bagay ang sigurado, this series is going to be cinema. So my final line, the future of the NBA is officially here. Spurs versus Thunder, Western Conference Finals Game 1. At bukas, isang team ang unang hahakbang papunta sa NBA Finals. So who do you got winning Game 1? Team Spurs ba kayo o Team OKC? Comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more NBA playoffs content. Again, this is JM Hoopcast. Peace out, mga idol.